This is the LathePavillion. That's L-A-T-H-E. Pavilion where Lana and I were married. September 13th, 1985. We'll go inside. It's located at 6th Street and Monroe, Phoenix. That's the upper area where Lana got ready for the wedding. And here is, I don't know if you call it a hall or, well, it's a pavilion. And this is the walk she took up to the front. Where we said our vows. It's a very special place to me. Very special place. Beautiful place. The only thing is, a lot of times you hear the jets going overhead because it's so close to Phoenix Sky Harbor International. But this is where we said our vows over 35 years ago.